So guys, now we're going up to the room. This room is a beachfront room. Beachfront suite. This is a suite based on my knowledge. Basically here it is beachfront and there is the room. So let's go up. Wow. So as we walk in, well, let me address this couch. Beautiful. I love that you get. You see, this looks real. And it is, guys. Look at that. This room is in a microwave, fridge, a dining table. You can sit, have coffee, see everything here. Everything. Yes, guys, this is beautiful. Here is your TV. So you sit down on your nice settee, watching the TV, people. Of course, we have a ceiling fan. If we have them there, modern things, talk truth. Now we have other ceiling fan in the room. This is the bed. And to tell the truth, this is so nice. I love it. Merrils all done themselves. This room, the decor, you have your AC. Wow. This room. Look there, guys. Look at this. What more could we ask for? Let me visit the closet now. So in the closet, if you get cold in the night, here is your comforter. Then you have your iron board, your iron, etc. Hangers, everything that a closet is supposed to have. Yes, guys. Now we're moving on to the bathroom. Hi. So you have all your toiletries. Have nicely folded. This is me. Have your sink, your toilet, tissue roll, there, towels, your shower, hot and cold water. Yes, guys. So let me just show you guys around basically. So here it is. And don't forget, we cannot forget that it's a sea view room. Look at this patio space, guys. Your nice balcony. So wonderful. And down there you have the restaurant. And there you can sit and talk with friends, anything that you guys want. And if I didn't mention before, this is an all-inclusive resort, Merrils 2.